she start to dream. One little girl with fire, with vision we clean. No silver spoon, just faith in her. She said me a rise, me a build, me a left me mark. When the world said no, she still find a way. Turn darkest nights in a bright new day. Every life she touched, every soul she raised. Now the Caribbean colony with praise. She believed, now we all believe. Her courage light the fire, feed the world for see. She built legacy, she changed destiny. Alecia left her mark. She set we free. True weapon, shipyard she give. Knowledge, hope and the courage for try. She show his strength, she show yo the time for shine. Alright, you know. Every step she climbs, she carry it too. Proves the dream real when you push it through. From jam down shore to the worldwide, our light can't hide, our legacy can't slide. She believed, now we all believe. Her courage light the fire, feed the world for see. She built legacy, she changed destiny. Alecia left her mark. She set we free. No matter where we there, no matter where we stand, our vision stretch far across every land. Daughter of Jamaica with fearless heart, forever and always she'll make her mark. She believed, now we all believe. Her courage light the fire, feed the world for see. She built legacy, she changed destiny. Alecia left her mark. She set we free. From Westmoreland to the world she rise. Strength and glory shine in our eyes. Alecia, you like you ever poured. You change the world, 'cause you follow your heart. Follow your heart.